Session Details. So we are on the new profile page where you can, if you click on your name, you can see your username that other people can use to tag you, for example. So make sure to check yours and to claim yours before they're not available anymore. Let's look at my last session, which was in Cape Town. And let's have a look at the new session details, which has been completely redesigned as well. We have now a full screen GPS map that I will shortly show you how to engage with that. But first, let's look at the session details itself, as you would see it if you are a pro user. Just a small note, what you get to see in the app will be dependent on your subscription. Free users will see less details, plus users will see a bit more details, pro users will see full details. Today, I'm not all the time covering exactly what you see in which situation. That we explain separately. Information about that is linked in the description of this video. So today, we're seeing the session details as a pro user. And of course, we still see all the jumps in a session, and each individual jump can be clicked to see details of that jump, of which indeed some are pro details. Like your course against the wind. Like in this case, I went too quickly downwind on this jump. You can engage and click here easily throughout your jumps. Then we have the statistics page where you see more statistics about your session, but also pro statistics like how many jumps did you do to the left, how many to the right, and you can really compare your left to your right jumping. In my case, honestly, I only jump to the left, so there is less to compare. And there is some more additional insights that I encourage you to check out. Then there is the new tab page, wind, where you can directly see what the wind was throughout your session, what the conditions were, including all your sessions from the past. So that being said, let's move on to the GPS map. The GPS map is now a full screen map that lets you engage with your data in new ways. So first of all, you will notice here these 3 bottom pills that will directly bring you to your highest jump or your furthest jump or your jump with the most airtime of your session. And in case you are a pro subscriber, that will happen in 3D. So here you see my 18.5 meter jumps. Super proud on that in 3D. So you can engage with this yourself. You can drag, you can rotate, you can scroll. It's a bit difficult in this simulator that I'm using to do it, but with your fingers, it's actually pretty easy to do. You can scroll through your jumps. So I remember I had one really nice jump with a nice heli loop. Let me see if I can find that one. It is such amazing feeling to to jump and then to lift up again in your heli loop. You can engage with it yourself, or you can just press the play button, which will replay your jump in 3D as it happened. If you are not practicing heli loops yet, I can highly recommend. It's so fun. Yeah, you can evaluate your jumps in new ways, or you can just press the play button, which will replay your whole session on the map and also stop at the different highlights. Yeah, like this you can relive your session in new ways. By the way, Strava Export is now available for free. Used to be in Surfr Pro. Also, you can set it up to happen automatically, so you don't need to do session by session anymore. So yeah, that's it about the GPS map.